Oh, listen. My body loves avocado so much that it says hello when it sees it. Look. Stop doing that! Don't do that! Oh, wait, Nick, edit this out. That broccoli I had earlier, I don't even know what's going on.
Don't lie.
Everybody, it's me, Nick Avacado. So, let's do it together. 1, 2, 3.
Why?
Oh! Whatever. Here.
Now smell that. And his
Good.
Smell my fart, you. The scent of our house instead of flowers just farts.
This is what I think of it. Farting. You're dead. You're dying. You got diabetes. You got cholesterol, and it's a fleas. Wait, Nick, edit this out. That broccoli I had earlier, I don't even know what's going on. Yes, they agree. Oh my gosh, it's just like flying out of me. Ah. Oh, ow. I'm farting. I'm splattering. Oops. Corn. Here I go. What I want in it. Look at it. Look at the chicken. Corn. Diabetes.
Don't lie.
Stop! I'm farting. I don't have any bathroom problems at all.
There's a reason people call me White Bee.
Yes. Nick, edit this out. That broccoli I had earlier, I don't even know.
Okay.
No, do this! Brakes! Hello? This is the truth. How do you tie your shoes? I just pooped.